Update. We're in the hotel. I'm in the ayak tinga. Update. We're in the hotel na. Okay naman. Okay naman. Ang cute kasi parang halos Pilipino yung mga nagsasurf, yung mga crew, mga staff. So tinagalog na ako ni ate nung nakita niya na Pilipinas yung passport ko. Ayan lang. Saan kami galing? Kumain kami. Tinitry namin yung Songfa Bakute. Nasa lang siya nilaga na maraming paminta. Tapos anli sabaw. Tapos lambot naman yung buto-buto. Yun lang. Tapos ang sausawan nila dark soy sauce. Hindi, yun yung way ng pagkain ng katabi ko. So ginaya ko lang. Okay naman. Michelin gourmand siya. Feeling ko hindi lang nagpupunta yung mga Michelin na yan sa Pilipinas. Pag natikman nila yung mga pagkain sa atin, kalasa lang naman. Dapat mayroon din tayong ganun eh. Feeling ko gusto talaga nila yung mga matatabang, mga walang flavors of Asia. Ang tabang-tabang lang nasa atin. Ayun. Ang itim, mag-freshen up kami. Kasi in 6 PM kakanta na si Sabrina. And medyo maulan ngayon mga B. Sana wag na umulan mamaya kasi walang payong. Raincoat lang yata ang pwede. So baka magdala na lang kami ng raincoat. Pero yun lang. Yun na lang talaga B. Good luck na lang sa amin later. So meron 1 day pa kami bukas. 1 full day. Tapos ang weird yung breakfast ito nasa kabilang hotel. So hindi sa kanila. Tapos 7 AM yun. Hindi ko tuloy alam kung tatry pa namin yung breakfast. What you think? Diba? Kasi dapat umalis na kami. Siyempre, hindi nyo masasagot kasi pag pinost ko to, ako kami. Diba? Very good. Hindi ko alam kung magkapants ako eh. Tangina. Puti pa yung sapatos ko. Muulan. Pag isa naman sinuot ko, tela, mga basa. Hirap naman. Wala akong boses, paano kakanta? Forever and always. Paano yun? You belong with me. Hirap. Tagal naman tumain ng jowa ko. Ayun na siya. How are you? Kamusta ang pag-ire?
Sino kausap mo?
Sila.
Sino? Ang happy day.
Ginawa mo?
Yung isang baso.
Pinungus mo yung baso, baby. Di pala ko.
Dun sa ano, malapit sa pindutan ng flash, yun yung ginamit. Feel ko marami na rin ibang gumawa, no? Meron naman silang tabo.
Siguro nga. Update. Papunta na ng National Stadium. Alam nyo ang nakakabwisit? Yan, nakakabwisit yan. Ang lakas ng ulan.
Sumabay pag
pinapaalis na kami.
58.
Actually, kanina pa naman ang ulan. Pero tumigil na kasi, tapos biglang umulan ulit. Nakakaasal.
True.
So, 1K pesos grab. Sa 18 minutes na trip, putang ina.
Bilang alam kung ano ito, kitang mo.
Dito daw binababa yung mga grab.
Walang signal. Oh my God. Wow.
Where should we go? Where are we? We don't know. The fuck? Dito na kami sa labas lang. Let's go, guys. Grade 3. Grade 17 kami. Siya. Tingnan.
napakalayo namin.
Singapore, welcome to the Eras Tour! I'm looking out at this crowd. You can tell a lot about a crowd in the first couple of songs, let me just tell you that. The first impression that you have just made on all of us on the stage, you have shown us immediately that you're here to sing, you're here to dance, you're here to party, you're here to scream. And I hope you know what that means for us. That means we take things up several levels for a crowd like this, okay? We have to meet you where you are. Is there anyone here tonight who lives in Singapore? Thank you for coming, guys. Is there anyone here tonight who traveled a great distance to be here? Whether you came here from somewhere else, just know that I know the level of planning and the effort and the time and the thought that you put into being here tonight. I feel so lucky. Thank you for choosing to make all of those decisions that ended us all here in this stadium together. I love you so much. I should have asked you questions. I should have asked you how to be. Song from Red that I was really wanting to play for you. Hoping that you might have about 10 minutes to spare. I walked through the door with you. Absolutely amazing. Like, I just want you to know that every amount of effort you're putting in to how good of a crowd you are being tonight, I notice all of it. If you're up top and you think I can't see you, I absolutely can. I can see every single person just dancing and jumping and God, the energy of this crowd is just like, fires me up. Makes me so excited to get to spend this evening with you. Total surprises to everyone in the room except for me. But it's really just me trying to pick songs that will make you happy or make you sing along really loudly. So we'll see how I've done with my choices this evening. Ready? My heart, my hips, my body, my blood, trying to find a part of me that you didn't touch. You were for me like a
din. Diyos ko. Hassle ng pagpasok, hassle ng pag-uwi. Yes, let's go.
Done with Swift. Done na with transportation system and solar system. Pero may na-survive namin yung putang ina ng concert na to. Di namin binatawan itong electric pa na tubong concert na pakainit.
Pero buti nagtagal siya.
Apaka-humid, pangalawang kanta pa lang na Taylor, kulot na siya. Ganun ka-humid. Ngayon, pupunta kami na Baunan. Bebo, sure ka ba na yan pa to? Tama pa to? Di mo na tinitignan? Aray, mabilis. Ha? Let's see kung tama yung daanan. First order, sate. Lahat yung kanin-kanin ko. Let's go.
Anong tawag dito?
Sate. Chicken sate, beef sate. Peanut sauce to ah. Peanut. Sarap. Best na sila, baby. Ha? Ay, curry. Kailangan matanggal ang hambre. Wala pa namin chicken din. Sarapan ka? Ha?
Second order. Score.
Kamusta? Parang pad thai.
Antay. Yan, ano yan? Carrot. Kamusta?
Ano masang carrot?
Ano lasa?
Cake lang.
Huh? Anong cake? Chocolate cake?
Kumain ka ng ano? Siopaw na basa.
Yeah.
Ano mo na kasi?
Yan ay fried quail. Mga fried carrot cake lang. Madaming staff.
Pag small order ka, mabilis lang.
I was enchanted to meet you. Wait lang, bebo, parang hindi mapag.
Please don't be in love with someone else.
Please don't have somebody waiting on you. Please don't be in love with someone else. Please don't have somebody waiting on you. Sinong pupunta dito ng gabi? Kami lang. Oh. Sila yun nga, oh, natutulog, oh. Yung flyer, di gumagalaw. Kami lang ang malakas ang tama.
Ayoko na.
Ano kayo na? Uy, ang ganda dyan. Oh. Smile.
Mas may para ko nakataster. Smile.
Lagi dyan yun.
Di mo kaya. Night stroll ang peg ni bakla. Merlion, Marina Bay Sands, Arts and Science Museum, Singapore Flyer, Metrobank na hindi natapos. Charet. Ano ba itong durian na to? Hindi ko to alam eh.
Falling you.
Falling you.
falling. falling.
Saan tayo punta? Ha?
Doon mo sasakay ng bus.
May bus pa kaya? Go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Ayan ang alauna na. Nagbabaw siya 15 minutes prior.
Paano sila uuwi? Nasa law pa sa time mga tao kaya?
May maganda lighting dito.
Ano gusto mo?
Picture.
Tara.